Hey, hey everybody, it's me Ivy. So I'm in a different part of my room. I'm at my desk with my bed. I was gonna sit on my bed like I did that first sad video. But my dog is on my bed, so I didn't want to bug her. So anyway, I hope you guys like this. Tell me if you like this angle and stuff like that. I'm gonna use my phone so you can hear me. My iPad is fine. It's not that old. I can watch YouTube videos. I can hear sound. I can, all that stuff from, apps. And so, I can even make a video not on YouTube and I can still hear myself. I think it's YouTube's perspective that, making videos on there is not catching the audio anymore, so that's why you can't hear me. I'm so sorry. My next video will probably was on my iPhone, and of course you won't hear me, but at least you still support me, still watch my videos. At least you can kind of understand my reading my lips. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know about that. I'm still gonna, alternate, but I want you guys to hear me. Anyways, today's video, yes, I'm wearing a Christmas sweater. We had our first rain, so it's a gloomy, kind of windy day. So it's good, nice break. We needed some rain. It's slightly warm out. Anyways, I'm gonna do my this is gonna be probably my last unboxing right now, because I finally got my Birchbox and I don't really like the packaging. I'll get to everything else. This box right here, I'll do this so you not see the label underneath. This box is supposed to be my October box from last year. So I canceled last year, but I still can get my box. Everything else after that, I don't know. But everything was fine. I got a tracking thing to, I could track it when I'm getting in all this stuff. It never updated. It only says that it is, I think, shipping on the 9th or something like that, whereas at the beginning it hasn't updated. But some reason, I think last week I finally got it, and still on the tracking thing it still says July 9th at someplace transferred, and I already have my box. So they didn't update, they didn't tell me when I'm getting my box. So that's a big boo-boo on there. Anyways, for packaging, so you get this box. So there's one mistake. Only one single tape. One single tape. There's no tape anywhere else, just right there. And that really irks me, because what if something happens, if it busts open or so. Come on. So anyways, let's just, I already busted this in when I got it. How is everybody doing? Alright, so this is sad. Who misses, if you do Birchbox still or whatever or not, if anybody miss getting those really cool decorative boxes that comes in like this, and you take out and you unravel the box and then open and take out the other box, I miss that. I miss that, because this is sad. Like, really? This is just a waste of, and it's not cute. It ain't cute. I still don't like this. Let me pull up. Let's pull it up on iPad to see what I have on here. So say this. It doesn't even recognize it's already here. Okay. No, I want to go here. Okay, let's go in my box. Okay, so in my box, my late October box of last year, they did put a new product because I did have, I think, 5, but my 5th product was sold out or doesn't exist, so they put something else, which is good. At least they were, I think that's why it took longer because they didn't realize it. So I got this body cream. If it focus. Sorry, hang on. This is my first time showing something like this. I don't want that. I want to focus on this. Focus on that. Anyways, it's not focusing, but it's this cream. Let's see, next is this Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. Just that. Why is it still there? That's weird. Okay, whatever. And then, let's see. Next, I have. Oh. It's been a long time. I didn't say the freaking prices. Okay, let's start that over. So this right here, full size is $38. For this guy, full size is $28. And then for this shampoo and body wash, oh, it's that brand. It was my face wash that I really want the full size in. This guy right here, the all shampoo and body wash, full size is $28. Oh, okay, that's cool. Alright. Next, I got this gel cream, tofu gel cream. Okay. Trying to see what it does. De-stress sensitive skin with our vegan blend of tofu and blah 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 blah. Smooth redness, infused skin. Oh, so it just helps your skin. Okay. Alright. Anyways, this guy right here is $85. Wow, that is, oh yeah, because it's vegan product. That's why. And this last thing that does not have a price. I don't know why. I think I had this before. Anyways, it's a one and done eyeshadow stick, and Impress Me. That's the name. It says full size sample. Okay, but you don't tell me the price on it. It's $12. I had to press on the product. I think it's new. Oh, say what? Oh, whoa! Why don't they get that? Dude. So if you bought the full size of this, you also get the sharpener with it. Like, what? You get the sharpener with it. Anyways, it's $12. It's a pretty color, though. It'd be very pretty on my skin tone. Anyways, wow, that was weird. I literally had to press on that. Alright. Or click on it. Oh my god, I can't. Anyways, that's that. If I'm going to, I don't think I'm going to, I don't think I'm going to continue or, reopen my account. It still has my account and information. So if I do want to come back, I can just, whatever. I like what I got for my October box. That was supposed to be for last year. I still got some good stuff. I'm really, because honestly, I miss getting these. I actually ran out of shampoo and conditioner samples. But now I have a shampoo, but also a body wash. But anyways, I hope you guys like what I got. That was supposed to be for last year. I'm just not impressed in this. This is just nonsense. So yeah. I think that's all I have to say about Birchbox. Maybe not for a while, but thinking about it. Yeah. I think that's all I have to say. I'm gonna go and upload this video for you guys, and then I am going to show you what on my Switch. It's been a while since I've done that. I'm just in a video mood today. I miss you guys, and yeah. Okay, peace.